Hello everyone, this is Chef Suraj. Welcome back to my channel. I know everybody loves the chocolate brownie, even me. This is one of my favorite dessert. This is very easy to do recipe and very easy to sell. Yes, that's right. If you are new in my channel, so keep the like button thumbs up. Like, share and comment. I will be sharing more recipe like this in my channel. So let's get started. This is our updated version of brownie recipe. First we are going to melt the chocolate with a double boiler. Just heat water in a pan and add the semi sweet chocolate. Just melt the chocolate with equal quantity of butter. I am using the unsalted butter here. Keep mixing and until the chocolate will be melt properly and you will get the smooth and shiny chocolate syrup like this. So second part, we have to break the eggs. Make sure you will not put the eggshell in it. So now we are adding the sugar and put into the mixer bowl. If you don't have mixer like this, you can use the hand blender as well. So third part, we have to take the California walnut. Just take the walnut and crush them nicely. Don't crush them too much fine. You need the crunchy pieces. Make sure you will toast the almond little bit before you using it. You can use the pan or you can put in the oven before using crushing them. So walnut is ready now. I am going to mix it with a flour, plain flour. So once you mix this one and your mixture is ready, the egg and sugar is ready now. So now we are going to combine all the ingredients including the flour and walnut and also the chocolate syrup which we melted before. So like this we mix and we are going to put into the shell, any shell, tart shell. So I am using here plain flour tart, walnut tart. Even you like without tart, you can put it into direct tray and put in the butter paper. So now this is going into the baking. You have to bake around 25 minutes, about 160 degrees Celsius. Once it's ready, remove out, cool down and cut it into the desired shape. So our chocolate walnut tart is ready. How you like this recipe? I hope you will try this. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be bringing more recipes like this. Give a thumbs up. Try this recipe. Thank you for watching guys. This is Chef Suraj signing off.